Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Career Tuner. Now here in this session we are going to find the square roots with a very easy manner and in a tricky way. Now let us see. So here is our first question, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal 0. This is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation generally has a degree of 2. Since it has a degree of 2, it will have 2 roots. Okay, generally the number of roots depends on the degree. If the degree is 3, it has 3 roots. If the degree is 4, it has 4 roots. Since the degree is 2, it has only 2 roots. Now how to find those 2 roots? Now you see. Now let us take the constant here. What is the constant? Constant is nothing but 6. Now what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square. If nothing is there, then we'll think it as 1. Nothing happens, right? 1 into something, the same. 1 into me is me. 1 into you is nothing but you. Okay, fine. Now 6 into 1 is nothing but 6. Okay. Now you need to split 6 into factors, into 2 factors, such that if you add those factors, you need to get the coefficient of x. So how can I split it? Suppose if I write 1 into 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Am I getting it? No. Suppose if I write 2 into 3, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Yes, I am going to get it. So what I am going to do? I am going to write 2 and I am going to write 3. Just do one thing, change the signs. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. That's it. Okay. Now next problem. Now you see, what is the constant here? Constant is nothing but 20. So here, what is the coefficient? Nothing is there. So we'll place 1. So 1 into 20. 1 into 20 is nothing but 20. Now what do we need to do? We need to split it into factors. So let us split it into factors. So what can we write? Suppose if I write 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4? 20. That's okay. But what is 5 plus 4? That is plus 9. But here you have minus 9. So this is not possible. Why? What did I say you? If you add the 2 factors, you need to get the coefficient of x. But here that is not possible. So what I am going to do? I am going to write it as 5 into minus 4. Suppose if I write 5 into minus 4, then what happens? 5 into minus 4 is not 20. So this case also is not possible. So I need to take a case where I need to get 20 and I should get negative terms. So what I am going to do? I am going to write as 5 minus 5 into minus 4. So if I write both as minus, so minus into minus gives me plus. So same signs that can be added. So what happens here? Minus 5 and minus 4. Both if you add, you will get minus 9. And minus 5 into minus 4 is nothing but 20. Yeah, here the condition is satisfied. So take the two numbers, minus 5 and minus 4. Just change the signs. So 5 and 4 are the roots of the quadratic equation. That's it. And this 5 and 4, if you put in the value of x, that will satisfy the equation. That's it. So that's why these are known as roots. Now coming to the next question. Now if you see, so here the coefficient is 1, obviously. Now 1 into minus 20, so that is minus 20. So here also you need to take factors, but the coefficient that you need to get is nothing but what? Minus 1. So simply you can write it as 5 into minus 4, so that you will get minus 20. But when you add 5 and minus 4, you will get plus 1. So this is not possible. So what I am going to do? I am going to write minus 5 into 4. If you add this both, what you are going to get? You are going to get minus 1. And it is going to satisfy the condition even. So write minus 5 and 4. What is the next step? Hope you are expecting. Yes, exactly. That is what? Change the signs. So these are your answers. These are the roots. That's it. Now coming to the next question. Now you see, here what is there? Minus 30. And here the coefficient is 1. So 1 into minus 30 is minus 30. So here I need to get 1. So if I write minus 5 into 6, then what happens? Minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. Minus 5 plus 6 is nothing but plus 1. Yes, my condition is satisfied. So minus 5 and 6. What is the next step? Yes, exactly. Change the signs. So these are the roots. That's it. Yeah. Coming to the next question. Here whatever the questions you have solved, if you come across the coefficient of x square, it is nothing but 1. Here also it is nothing but 1. Here also it is nothing but 1. Here also it is nothing but 1. But when it comes here, the coefficient became 2. This type of problems, when you get the coefficient, here you need to follow some other logic. What is that? We are going to solve. Just look here. So 2 into 3, nothing but 6. The same process, fine. Okay, after that you need to split it into factors so that you have to get how much? Minus 5. So what I am going to do, I am going to write minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 3 gives us plus 6, and minus 2 and minus 3, if you add them you will get minus 5. So that's clear. So what are the two numbers? One number is minus 2 and one number is minus 3. But here, since we have the coefficient as 2, we need to divide these both by 2. That is the additional steps to be followed. Till now we didn't discuss any model like that. So the additional step to be followed is dividing with the coefficient of x square, that is divide by 2, divide by 2. Now what happens? We know obviously this will go for one time and this remains as it is. Sir, till now here you have changed the signs. Do we need to change? Yes, obviously you need to change the signs. Change the signs. So what is the answer? 1 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. That's it. Now coming to the next question. Now you see, till now what are the number we have solved? It is not of the third form. It is just a number. But if you see here, it is a third. A coefficient is third here. So how to solve when a model comes like this? The same procedure. So root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal 0. Now if you observe carefully, so here if you see, what is the constant? 5 root 2, and the coefficient here is root 2. Now if you multiply 5 root 2 into root 2, so it becomes what? 5 into 2, nothing but 10. So for 10 you need to write factors so that you need to get the coefficient 7. If you add, you need to get the coefficient as 7. So what can we do? This can be written as 2 into 5. Very good. So write it as 2 and 5 here. Why? It is satisfying our condition. So after that, what is the next step that we followed? Divide it by root 2. Divide it by root 2. Why? Because we have the coefficient here. Next, what do we need to do? Change the signs. Change the sign. Change the sign. Root 2 will go for how many times? Root 2 times. What is the answer? Minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. That's it. Okay friends, I think you have understood all these problems. Hope you like the video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Career Tuner. Thank you.